Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing the Vactidy Nimble T6, a budget robot vacuum cleaner. It delivered impressive cleaning results in our tests, but there are some drawbacks you should know about. The Vactidy Nimble T6 is small, light, and resembles many other round vacuum cleaners on the market. It has a simple button on top to start and stop the cleaning process, and it comes with a remote control for manual navigation and spot cleaning. However, we found the remote control unnecessary as we preferred using the Vactidy app for more control. Underneath, the robot has a single brush bar for the main cleaning work, along with two side sweeping brushes to tackle dirt along room edges. The main brush bar is not anti-tangle, so you'll need to use the provided razor to remove any hair that gets wrapped around it. The 500 ml bin is decently sized and can handle cleaning an entire floor without frequent emptying. The Vactidy app allows the Nimble T6 to join your Wi-Fi network, and you can control its power mode and perform edge or spot cleaning. However, this robot doesn't create a map, limiting advanced features like setting no-go areas or dividing your home into rooms. The cleaning performance of the Nimble T6 is impressive, but it does take longer as it may make multiple passes over the same area. The battery life is good, providing 60 minutes of cleaning on maximum power. On the downside, the Nimble T6 lacks advanced navigation features and relies on bumping around until it runs out of battery and returns to its dock. This led to frustrating experiences as the robot repeatedly got stuck on simple obstacles, like doorways and office chair casters. If you have a simple layout with few obstacles, the Vactidy Nimble T6 could work well for you. However, if you need something more reliable with advanced navigation features, a robot with proper litter navigation might be a better choice. While the cleaning performance is commendable, the constant getting stuck made it frustrating to use in moderately challenging environments. If you're looking for a more reliable robot vacuum cleaner, you may want to consider the Vactidy Vac Max or explore our guide to the best robot vacuum cleaners. That's it for our review of the Vactidy Nimble T6 on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and tech product guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.